Hi everyone, my name is Pooja and I'm present today at IMTEX 2022.
My name is Naman Solanki and representing Sintrizen Technologies. We're based out of Rajkot, which is in Gujarat. We're basically a metal 3D printing firm which provides a one-stop solution for metal 3D printers. Basically what this means is whatever you require in terms of 3D printing, which is post-processing, CAD data preparation, 3D printing, everything is done at our facility. So this is what we do.
Alright, and how do you feel after of the IMTEX that is happening?
Oh yeah, so finally after the pandemic, everything, the world is coming out and finally the world is picking up again, which is a good thing, and we're just here to make our names in the market.